Oh, hey there, Bubbles. Oh, and hello there, little learners. I was just flying around in my plane. Oh no, Bubbles, not a real plane. I was using my imagination. Do you ever use your imagination, little learners? Oh, well, what do you like to do with your imagination? Oh, that sounds like a ton of fun, little learners. Well, what about you, Bubbles? What do you like to do with your imagination? Oh, well, that sounds like a lot of fun too. Well, I was just inspired to fly around in my plane because I found a brand new movie of yours, Bubbles. Little learners, do you want to know what movie I found? Well, Bubbles can fly. Oh, Bubbles, you get to do all of the fun stuff without me, don't you? Well, little learners, do you want to watch Bubbles Can Fly with us? Oh, you do? Oh, awesome. Well, all right then, let's go, Bubbles. Come on.
The fun never ends with Bubbles and friends. Another exciting day. We're happy again. Here are Bubbles and friends.
Wow, that looks like fun. But I'm an elephant. I could never fly like Flexi Flamingo.
Hey, Bubbles, I'm going to a paper airplane contest. Want to go with me?
Sure, if I build an airplane, it's almost like flying. But I don't know how to do that either.
You just have to learn how to fold this paper into shapes. It's easy, like 1, 2, 3.
Well, sounds like fun, but I'm worried my airplane will crash.
No problem. We'll get some help from 2 Plus Toucan. He knows everything about math and engineering and building airplanes. All we have to do is sing the solution song.
Every problem we can overcome if we take them on one by one. Together we can solve anything. Solutions come when we all sing. The solution song, it's so much fun when we sing along. The solution song, come on everybody, let's sing the solution song.
It's 2 Plus Toucan.
Top of the morning, chappies. Welcome to my magic rainforest. Here for the aeroplane contest?
Yeah!
Aces, let's get started. Now, the fun of making an aeroplane is to use different shapes to make them fly in different ways. 1, we start with a rectangle. 2, we fold the paper into triangles like this. 3, we fold it over again and again, and voila, an aeroplane. Now, you try it. And you kids, try it too. Smashing contest.
Yeah, my planes smash into the ground a lot. How do real planes fly? They seem so heavy, like me.
It's elementary, by jingo. Airplanes have a way of balancing things called lift and drag, which is produced by the thrust of the engines. It helps airplanes get off the ground, even though they are heavy.
What do you guys think of my new airplane?
It's simply brilliant. Your wings are just the right shape.
And they're very, very big. Now, let's see if Bubbles can really fly. Come on, kids. kids.
Cheerio!
Oh, Bubbles, that was your best movie yet. Oh, that was so much fun. I love the part where you were flying around and that giant paper airplane. Oh, that paper airplane was ginormous. Do you think that we could make paper airplanes sometime? Oh, wouldn't that be so much fun, little learners? Oh, but I don't think that we can make a paper airplane that big. Little learners, what was your favorite part of the movie? Oh, I like that part too. Oh, Bubbles, you really are an A-list movie star. Do you think I could be in one of your movies sometime? Oh, thank you. You get to have so much fun in your movies. Little learners, thank you so much for being our friend. I can't wait for our next adventure together. So until then, bye-bye. Wow. Woo.